Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Taking apart a sleep number bed is a simple process that anyone can do at home. You just need a little time and some basic steps to get it done right. First, start by using your remote to deflate the air chambers completely. This makes the parts much lighter and easier to handle. Once the bed is flat, unplug the firmness control system from the wall outlet. Next, unzip the mattress cover all the way around the bed. Fold the top part of the cover back to reveal the inside. You will see the foam pads and the air chambers. Carefully lift the foam borders and the corner pieces out of the way. Now you must disconnect the air hoses from the chambers. Look for the small gray buttons on the side of the hose connectors. Press these buttons and pull the hoses away gently. After the hoses are free, you can lift the air chambers out of the frame. Set them aside in a safe place. Remove the bottom foam pad next. If you have a modular base, you will need to take that apart too. Slide the plastic panels out of the support rails one by one. Keep all the small parts and screws in a plastic bag so you do not lose them. Wrap the pump in bubble wrap to keep it safe during your move. Make sure you do not kink the hoses when you pack them. Following these instructions will help you move your bed without any damage to the sensitive parts. You are now ready to transport everything to your new location safely.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.